Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing your Dialog account because balance checks are tied to your registered profile. Log into the Dialog app or self-care portal using your username, password, or registered phone number. Once signed in, make sure your device is connected to the home broadband network so account features load correctly. This avoids session drops. If you use 2FA, complete it now to proceed. This step lets you reach the exact menus that display remaining data, validity, and usage history. Once done, navigate to My Services or the Broadband section. This is where Dialog lists subscribed home plans. Select your active plan to reveal quota, remaining GB, and expiry date. That's the core data you need. Make sure to expand Usage Summary to see consumed amounts, remaining balance, and the next reset date, because percentages and raw GB tell different stories. If a meter or detailed session log is available, open it to confirm which devices or time periods use the most data. You finish by refreshing the balance display and noting the timestamp or last update so you know data is current. Then cross-check session logs or the connected device list to match spikes in usage to specific devices or times. This explains unexpected depletion. If the balance seems wrong, take screenshots, record the update time, and contact Dialog support with your account info. That gives support the evidence they need. One troubleshooting tip: restart your router and check, since cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.